Good morning, students. This is Sister Mills. I am here making the screencast because there were several students who did not complete the speaking partner report and the course readiness quiz from last week from lesson 1. So I have actually reopened those for all of you to take. There are several of you who haven't taken them yet, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make sure you've done them and if you haven't, how to access them. So here I am. This is my, as a student, my page. I'm going to go ahead and click on grades. I clicked on the down arrow and clicked on the grades tab, and that's what brought me here. So you'll see if you don't have a score here or if it's a 0, that means you didn't take it. And so what we're going to do, some of you didn't take the course readiness quiz and some of you didn't take the speaking partner registration report. And both of those are worth points. And so we need to make sure that everybody gets those taken care of. And both of these are a little hard to find. So I've actually reopened these for you, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to access those now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on content, and that should bring me to all of our lessons here. I'm going to click on lesson 1. And this is the course readiness activity and quiz. So some of you may have come onto this page, and since you had the check mark, you thought you were done. So you should have gone through all of these steps, and then lastly, you should take this quiz. So you can go ahead and click on that quiz, and that will take you to the quiz. And I'm going to go ahead and reopen that so you can take that. Once you've taken that quiz, then you will have a grade appear under your grades tab. The other assignment that lots of students did not complete this week was the speaking partner registration. And so this is here in the midweek assignment. You'll click on this assignment, and you've probably read through most of this, and you may have even signed up to be a speaking partner. Here is the speaking partner matching tool. So this is where you went in and provided some information about yourself and your Skype account, and then you went in and once you're done adding all that information, your page should look like this. And so this is where you'll click on schedule to schedule which open times you have. So you should have some spaces marked out here for when you're available. And then once you're done with that, you can click home. It should save. You should be fine. And if you need to adjust your profile settings, you can. Once you've completed that, then you should fill out the speaking partner registration report. Okay, so this is about halfway down on the speaking partner registration under lesson 1. So you'll click on that, and you will basically answer the question whether or not you filled out the speaking partner registration. So it's pretty simple, but like I said, this speaking partner report is found halfway down on the page, and then the course readiness quiz will be taken at it's at the bottom of the course readiness activity. So both of those are ones that lots of you didn't complete. So go ahead and complete those. I've reopened them until Wednesday of this week. So today's Monday the 30th. They will be open until Wednesday the 2nd at 11 o'clock p.m. So go ahead and fill those out and complete those. And just as a review. I included this in an email and an announcement, but my policy is that I'll accept all late work from lessons 1 through 4. Lessons 5 through 14, I do not accept late work, but I do accept redos on the major writing assignments. So that's a heads up about my late work policy. That's why I'm allowing this to happen for you guys to take these quizzes even though you missed them. If you have any questions about this or how to access these quizzes, be sure and let me know.